traffic 367 Mike Alpha, final for 31 Red Oak.
Alright, so get on your airspeed.
Southwest traffic, Cessna 69629 Golf is left downwind for runway 36, Council.
Okay, so aim point airspeed all the way down. Don't let either one deviate. Lower your nose, get your 65. Lower your nose. Okay, pull your power to idle. There you go, round out, hold that nose up, 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 hold it up, hold it up, hold that nose up, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. Okay, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. Okay, and when you're out of aerodynamics, the nose is going to come down. Keep the airplane moving. No, don't add any power. Just keep the airplane moving. Switch to the right and we'll make a left Whifferdale. 180-degree turn. Keep the airplane moving. Keep the airplane moving. All right, left rudder. Left rudder. Airplane moving. Add a little bit of power if you have to. Keep the airplane moving. Okay. All right, taxi back. Okay, keep that weight off the nose wheel.
Oh, this is really rough.
Stay where it's smoothest. Red Oak, 7 Mike Alpha, back taxiing 31, Red Oak. Okay, now you're going to come up on a interchange of terrain types here, so keep that nose up. Stay straight with the runway. When you get down to the end here, go ahead and cheat to the left, make a right turn, line up on the runway and keep the airplane moving. Bring the flaps up to 10. We're not stopping. There you go. Want a wide turn so you don't have to make gross, heading changes. All right, start favoring to the right. Add some power. Okay, alright, full power. Okay, got a right crosswind. Ailerons into the wind. Red Oak, 7 Mike Alpha, departing runway 31. Okay, in the ground effect. Okay, now lower the nose. Lower the nose, lower the nose. Keep it tucked, keep it tucked, keep it tucked, keep it tucked. Okay, get your speed. Now pop it up. Don't go below 60. Okay? Alright, you're below 60. We got rising terrain out here too, which basically adds to the stress level.